Hey, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to find the serial number on a Dolphin Cleaner. You may need this for warranty reasons, or you may need it if it's down the road and you need some replacement parts. There are cases where they've made maybe variations of the same model, where they change the tracks or they change the cord. So a lot of times we'll ask customers if they have the serial number. So it's real simple to look for. In this particular one, you open up the top and there's a barcode with the number on the inside, and all we need is that number. If you give us that, then we can look up the correct replacement parts. On some models, there's a filter bag that comes out of the bottom. In that case, you would remove the filter bag from the bottom and then check for the serial number there. But if you have any questions about Dolphin Cleaners or anything pool or spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.